In this video of exploring and improving Buildbox game template, we're going to be looking at 3D demo. Let's open the project, play the game. So in this game, we tap on the screen to switch direction that the ball is going so we can follow the platform. The game has a small problem with the character. If you try turning when you're falling too close to the platform, the character sticks to the platform. To fix this, you need to set friction to 0 in character physics settings. We'll demonstrate that later. Let's look at the mind map of this game. We have our UIs. There's standard Buildbox UIs. We're not going to go through all the elements inside it. As you can see, we have the best score displayed here, current score in our game UI, and current score in our game over. Let's go inside the 3D world. Inside 3D world, we have debris with physics on set to dynamic, and inside we have just 3D model. Ground, we have physics turned on set to static, and inside we just have a 3D model. Platform, physics set to static, and we just have a 3D model. Point, physics is disabled, and inside we have a 3D model and an if collide node that adds a point if it is collided and removes itself. Character, we have physics set to dynamic. Go inside, we have a 3D model, a touch node that's connected to a switch, which switches between move left and move right nodes. Also, we have a if collide node, which looks if we collide it with ground, triggers the defeat node, and the defeat node triggers an explosion, and in 1 second delay triggers a game over event. Let's go look at the 3D world, how it's built. The start scene has a point and is built out of 3 platforms. We have a character, and then we have a ground. End boundary and start boundary, and we have a sun and a camera that follows the character, only in the Z direction. Scene 1 has points and platforms that build out the shape and a ground. And scene 2, same as scene 1, except a different shape. Now let's make some improvements. So first, let's go to character, and like I mentioned before, let's go to physics settings of our character by clicking start and finding friction and set it to 0. Let's press play. Now you can see if we try to stick to the platform, it just bounces off and you lose. What we're going to do now is switch out move nodes and then add ability to increase speed every point we collect. We're going to do it quickly here. There's going to be a link of our tutorial which goes through step by step. And now we will replace explosion script with the explosion debris node. Select debris and let's do a count of 20. Play the game, and now the game should increase by 1% every point we collect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write in the comments below and subscribe to our channel.